So hello English learners, today we are going to talk about the helping verbs. Yes, I know you are aware about the helping verbs, like what are the helping verbs and how we are going to use the helping verbs. But there is one main point which I would like to talk, like how we are going to use the helping verbs as a main verbs. Yes, you can also use the helping verbs as a main verbs. So let's understand first what is helping verb. What do you understand by helping verbs? Helping verbs are the words. They help the main verb. They help the main verb to form a complete sentence. This is called the helping verb. What is helping verb? Helping verb क्या है? Helping verbs कुछ ऐसे verbs हैं जो main verb को help करते हैं एक complete sentence form करने के लिए, एक complete sentence बनाने के लिए. हेल्पिंग वर्ब मेन वर्ब की हेल्प करते हैं. सिंपल. सो कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? जैसे आई एम ए कंटेंट क्रिएटर. आई सेड आई एम ए इंग्लिश स्पीकर. आई एंड आई यूज एम. एम इज हेल्पिंग द मेन वर्ब. आई एम ए स्टूडेंट. यस, मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूं. एम इज हेल्पिंग टू फॉर्म ए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. अगर मैं एम यूज ना करूं, आई ए स्टूडेंट, दिस इज इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस. विदाउट हेल्पिंग वर्ब यू कांट कंप्लीट, यू कांट मेक ए कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ यूजिंग हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. इज, एम, आर, do, does, did, has, have, will has. So all these verbs are called helping verbs. They help main verb to form a complete sentence. And you can also use, and if you are going to just read or learn about the tenses, you are going to know all the uses of helping verbs, like when we are going to use the is, mr, when we are going to use do and does, when we are going to use has, have, when we are going to use did and had. So all these things you are going to learn in the tenses if you are going to read about the tenses. So how you are going to use the helping verbs as a main verb? Yes, सो आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स को मेन वर्ब की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हो. कैसे यूज कर सकते हो? सो लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एज ए मेन वर्ब. सो सपोज डू एंड डज, ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब. ओके, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. अगर आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब में यूज करोगे तो आप बोलोगे आई डोंट लाइक चॉकलेट. आई डोंट लाइक चॉकलेट. She doesn't cook food. Yes, so this is the helping verb which we use. But इसको आप main verb में कैसे यूज करोगे? did के साथ. I did my work. I did my work. did ये main verb है. यहाँ पे हमने main verb की तरह इसको यूज किया. I did my work मतलब मैंने अपना काम कर लिया, कंप्लीट कर लिया. I do my exercise in the morning. I do my exercise in the morning. मैं exercise morning में करता हूँ. So do as a main verb हमने use किया. She does her work. She does her work. उसने अपना काम किया. So does is also used in a main verb, as a main verb. So like this you can use helping verb as a main verb, but not all. You can't use all the helping verbs as a main verb. There are some helping verbs which you can use as a main verb. So yes, these were something which I talk with you all, and I hope you understand about it. So okay, so just keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better in your life. So thanks for today. We are going to meet in another video. So thanks.